Have you ever thought that a simple vitamin pill could land you in a wheelchair? I know, sounds dramatic, right? But for seniors, the stakes are real. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 5 most popular vitamins that could secretly be putting your independence at risk. You deserve to live life on your own terms, and that starts with knowing the truth. Let's dive in. First up, vitamin D. Doctors say it's the sunshine vitamin, and yes, it's crucial for bone health. But too much? It can lead to dangerously high calcium, making your muscles weak and your bones brittle. I've heard stories of folks who just wanted stronger bones, but ended up with kidney damage and barely able to walk. Remember, more isn't always better. Next, calcium. We're told to keep our bones strong, but excessive calcium can clog up your arteries and stiffen your joints. Suddenly, those morning walks become harder, and getting out of a chair feels impossible. If you're already taking calcium in your diet, piling on supplements could be a silent trap. Number 3, vitamin A. It's essential for your eyes and immune system, but if you're not careful, too much can cause dizziness, blurred vision, and even increase your risk of falling. Just imagine losing your balance, falling, and struggling to get up, all from something you thought was helping. Fourth, iron. It's easy to think more iron means more energy, but for many seniors, iron builds up in the body and damages organs, especially if you don't actually need it. Some end up with joint pain so severe, moving feels impossible. Always check your levels before adding iron. Last, vitamin E. It sounds harmless, but high doses thin your blood, raising the risk of bleeding and dangerous falls. For seniors on medications, this mix can be especially risky. Here's what I need you to remember. Just because it's popular doesn't mean it's safe for everyone. Talk to your doctor, get your levels checked, and never self-medicate with vitamins. Your mobility, your freedom, your life, it's worth more than an extra pill. If you found this eye-opening, let me know in the comments. Have you or someone you love ever had a scare with supplements? Share your story, it could save someone else. Take care of yourself. I'm rooting for you to stay strong, stay mobile, and live your best life.